welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be opening the April of Boxycharm base box. This is approximately $25 a month US, and I do have a link down below if you want to check it out. What else can I say about this box except that it is my favorite subscription box that I receive. I'm down to 3 now. I do Boxycharm, Ipsy, and then FabFitFun every 3 months, but this is still my favorite. So let's get inside. Let's go inside. Let's do the things. In this box, you're supposed to get 5 to 7 full-size items, and then each box has got a theme, and then it comes with a card telling you the value of your box. So this month is Boxy Spring Revival, and then on the back it tells us everything that we got, and this is what the box looks like. So let's see what the first thing we got was. That is from Item Beauty. You see that? It is a lash snack lengthening mascara, and it says "Pull Me." So I'm going to do what the box says. It's a very long mascara, long and skinny, and it is in the shade Midnight Mood. So here is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. And let's see, so this is, like I said, a lengthening mascara. So let's see what the wand looks like. Oh, it's very short, bristled, and a very short wand. So I think I will actually like this because I have got very short eyelashes. I just put on mascara actually, so let me see if they're wet enough for me to apply a second coat. Not really, they're a little dry already. But yeah, I think I like that wand. So definitely we'll give that a try. Good start. Next up, we have a very large squeezy tube from Serum. It is a gentle glacial cleansing cream. And it is 120 milliliters and 4 ounces. From seed to skin, this gentle glacial cleansing cream helps the removal of makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin cells to reveal and refresh a glowing appearance. Well, that's nice. Always could use that nice cleanser. All right, next up is this box from Studio Makeup. We have got a hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum. You know I love my serums. This is a really good size. It's 1 fluid ounces or 30 mils. And you apply morning and or evening to cleansed skin. Nice glass bottle. That is a really nice size serum. And I like anything with hyaluronic acid, just because that's what people say you should like for your skin. So that is that. Very nice size. 2 things left, I think. So this says foundation in giant bold letters. Oh, it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think I picked this. So this is the Luminous Foundation. It is also 30 mils or 1 fluid ounce. A medium coverage foundation with a luminous natural finish. And mine is in the shade 160C. So you do take your chances getting foundations that you don't try. That is a really huge whopping bottle of foundation though. And just in case you forget what it is. And it's got a pump. So let me just try a swatch on my hand just to see how, like, it looks like it might be a pretty good match. I'm terrible at picking out foundations because I don't wear a lot of it. So that is the color. Let's just work it into this. I picked a lot. I've used a lot. Doesn't really have a smell to it. So that's, you know, worked into the skin nicely. Might actually be a nice match for me. I'll have to give that a try. Really nice size, so hopefully it does match my skin tone. So when I said 5 to 7, this is we have 5 items this month, and the last is from Lucky Chick, and it is a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Quartz. So I have actually never heard of this brand, but it is enriched with smoothing cucumber. I don't use a lot of liquid eyeshadows. Well, what's pretty though So that is the packaging. It is a really nice rose gold. So we'll just apply a little bit and see. So this is the applicator that you get. And then, oh, that is pretty. Oh, that is very pretty. So that is the color. I'm gonna put a little bit on the center of my lid, even though I've already got glitter on. It's really hard to do with no mirror and your eyes open. It's very wet. I mean, it didn't make the look worse. It's a very pretty color though. Very pearlescent. Yeah, so that is already the end of the box. Just gonna use the paper that they supply to wipe that off. We're done. We're here. So let's see. Let's pick favorites first, so I don't go based off of price. So favorites, I'm gonna go with the hyaluronic serum because I love a good serum, and this is a really good size. And then the mascara, and then the ABH foundation, and then the liquid eyeshadow, and then the cleanser, just because it's a cleanser. I mean, it's good to have, but it's not very exciting. Now let's see what our price point is for our box. All right, so the ABH Luminous Foundation is $38. The Sela by Celine Tadrisi is $45. That's a heck of an expensive cleanser. The Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum, also $45. The Item Beauty by Addison Rae Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara, $15. That's a nice price point for a mascara if it's a good one. And then the Lucky Chick Liquid Eyeshadow, $22. Seems like a lot. But it is a really nice size, so that'll probably last you forever. So yeah, let's add up those prices and see how much our box is worth. Okay, so the value of our box is $165, which is really good considering that I paid $25. I think the price increased to maybe $28 US, but I go by if I like the products and I'll use the products. And I think I'll use all of them except maybe this, just because I don't use a lot of liquid shadows, but this might be good just as a topper. So who knows, but everything else I'll definitely use. The mascara, the serum, the foundation, hopefully it works, and the cleanser. Did I say cleanser? Yeah. Anyway, I'll use everything, I'm sure. So I would like to thank you all for watching. As always, I really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind liking, you can click like down below, and comment if you like, start a conversation. You can click here to go to my channel and subscribe, and then there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. And I hope you all have a great day, and again, thank you for watching. Bye!